Hello, my name is Anthony, and today we're going to be quickly going over how to convert and decrypt your offline downloaded Lynda courses into plain old MP4 video files. This goes without saying that you're going to need a Lynda account to do this, as well as the lynda.com desktop app. In order to download courses that you like, you have to head over to the course, hit View Offline, and start the download for each course. Once each course has been populated into the offline viewing program, you then want to take a note of the path that these courses are located. You can do this by clicking the Options menu and copying this path into a file explorer. Once you're there, you want to head into one folder more, which is LDCDL courses, and you'll see each course has a corresponding ID and a bunch of encrypted video files that are only allowed playback through the desktop application. Once downloading the tool located in the description, you can then start up a command prompt. Head over to where you downloaded the file to and start up the Python file called lynda-downloader.py. In order to get things set up for the first time, you're going to have to input a couple of paths. The first is just the path that we got before. The second is the path to the DB SQLite file, and it's usually just 2 folders up from the other one. Make sure you specify the files just like they are in the examples. And lastly, it's asking for a destination path for the video files to go. So the reason that I wrote this Python wrapper for HackRoot's pre-existing Lynda decryptor tool is because this wrapper is able to decrypt all courses simultaneously in one batch script and removes all of the encrypted files once it's done. And so just by pressing A at this next menu, you'll see that all of the video files are becoming decrypted and are slowly populating into our destination folder here. Once the script finishes, you'll get a successful message, and you'll notice that all of the course's video files are in a proper folder structure in a very easy to understand way. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below or shoot me a PM. Thank you so much for watching.